guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So this wig review is brought to you by Her Show Hair. And yeah, this is the contents that came in the box. 2 packs of eyelashes, a wig cap, and the wig. This time I did get a 613 unit, and yeah, so the unit came pretty yellow, and I just wanted to tone it before I went ahead and colored it because I didn't want all that yellow to influence the color that I wanted the wig to come out as. So remember to tone your 613 wigs if they are very yellow. So I used the Shimmer Light shampoo, hot water, and I just put it in my bathroom sink and just dunked it in there several times until it got to a neutral enough shade for my liking. It didn't need to get all the way to white. I didn't need it to go all the way to like that whitish silver tone, but I did need it to get out of that yellow brassy shade. So I did the Shimmer Light shampoo bath several times, and yeah, I'll just let you guys watch.
That's good.
So as you can see, these are the results. I did do the Shimmer Lights shampoo bath about 4 times, and this is what the hair came out looking like. So let's move on to the dyeing process. I decided to do the watercolor dyeing process. I used the Adore dyes and the Kiss Temptation dyes. I used the Sunburst in the Sunburst orange. I used the paprika. I also used the Temptation in salmon, which is a pink shade, and then I also used darkest brown. So for the initial all over color, I used all 3 of the shades. I used the Temptation in salmon, I used the Sunburst orange, and the paprika to just give the hair a nice salmony orange shade. So if you've ever done watercolor or dip dye method, you know that that first bath never really takes it that great. It comes out very splotchy, it comes out very patchy, so you definitely want to make sure your water is nice and hot, that you re-up on more of the dye. You want to add more of the dye to the water, and then you want to go ahead and dip the hair again. So when I dipped the hair the second time, the hair came out extremely even. It looked really, really great, and it had that great watercolor effect. I absolutely love how these colors look together, and this color is exactly what I was looking for, a salmon orangey shade. So I also knew that I wanted 3 different shades in the wig. So I separated the back few areas of the tracks on the back of the wig, and I added the darkest brown in with the paprika color, and I mixed that together, and I went ahead and dyed the back of the wig using the darkest brown. I really wanted this wig to have a gradient where the back and the underneath layer was darker, and then the middle layer was brighter, and then the top layer was paler. So this is how I achieved it. I separated some of the hair and achieved the different shades that I wanted. So that's the back, and you can see the top was already dyed. So now it was time to dye the middle, and so I just took some of the tracks from the middle and a little bit of the hair off of the frontal, separated that out, made another color bath using the bright orange shade. Actually, I think I used the paprika shade, and I dyed the middle of the wig using the second color bath. So yeah, it looks like for this color bath, I only used paprika. So this is only paprika on this middle section. So you guys, I am super happy with the way that this middle section came out. It's perfect. So now you can see all three sections, all the different shades that I have on this unit. A deeper shade, the richer orange shade, and then the paler shade at the top. So now I just went ahead and rinsed all the excess dye out of the wig. I also went ahead and conditioned the wig. And yeah, you're going to see me also styling the wig coming up later.
That's good.
So here is the unit on the mannequin head. I'm going to go ahead and start blow drying the wig. I'm going to add a little bit of heat protectant first, and the heat protectant I use is from L'Oreal from your local CVS or Walmart. It's their Sleek It, and it protects up to 450 degrees. Then I went ahead and used my Yellowbird blow dryer to go ahead and start blowing out the wig. I'm absolutely loving how this unit is coming out. It looks absolutely beautiful. The color placement, all the different shades, the highlights, the lowlights. I love how watercolor just really gives the hair a beautiful, beautiful effect. Nothing quite like it, you guys. I love it. So now I'm going to show you guys how I cut my layers in my units. I literally just go through, take large sections, and I comb it out, and I just use a scissor and just trim all the way down with the layers that I'm trying to achieve. It's really simple. It's the easiest way that I know how to cut layers. I'm not a professional, but this is the technique that has always worked for me. So now moving on to installing the wig, I went ahead and used my WigStensions Lace Tint Spray, and I used it in this shade, what was the shade? Golden. If I had it to do over again, I think I would have used makeup instead of the lace tint spray. It just wasn't enough. A lot of times 613 wigs, the lace is really, really light, and just using spray is not going to get it to where it needs to get to. You need to actually use foundation powder or a actual foundation to get the lace to blend. So that's the only thing that I would have done different. But you know, I'm here to make the mistakes so you don't have to. So learn from it and yeah, use foundation or makeup. So here is me putting on the wig. Same thing I do in every video, you guys. Nothing new here. It's literally just got to be gel, hairspray, and my baby hair scarf. If you're interested in purchasing a GLEEmade baby hair scarf, the link is down below. And you can use the code DRAGONESS to save you even more money at checkout.
That's good.
So you guys, just to give you a little info about this hair took the color extremely well. It bounced back amazing. I did condition the hair, and I think that makes a big difference. When you're doing different things to the hair, you definitely want to make sure that you condition the hair so that it bounces back. But you can see how shiny this hair is, how beautiful it is, and it really has a great luster and a great fullness. I absolutely love it, you guys. If you guys want to learn more about this hair, I'll leave a link down below to where you can go ahead over to Her Show Hair and you can check this wig out. You can check out all the wigs that they have to offer, but this one I particularly absolutely love. I think the color came out amazing and I'm just super happy. I love the way the layers came out as well. I'm going to show you guys how I kind of trim it even more once the styling process starts. This wig styled so beautifully. I was just so happy with this unit, you guys. I really don't have any complaints about it, other than the lace being like super light, but you can definitely combat that by using foundation. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on like cutting layers, curling hair, and getting like that bombshell bang sort of look, I can definitely do that. But if you feel like this was sufficient, give me a thumbs up so that I know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know that as well. Comment down below and please make sure you share and like this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media and make sure you stay tuned till the end. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.